First step, prepare the cartoon box and plastic film. Now we are checking the surface quality for our product. Next step is to checking the gross weight for cartoon box and plastic film. Next is calculate how many pieces in one cartoon. We use a weight to check how many pieces and to make sure each cartoon has the same quantity and same weight in each cartoon box. After calculation how many pieces in one cartoon, we put all the screws and our product into one cartoon, check the gross weight for one whole package. Okay, the last step, we use plastic film to seal the cartoon box and put the label on the side of each cartoon. After sealing the cartoon, we will put all the cartoon box into one pallet to make sure each pallet weight between 1 and 2 tons.